second round robin with a double overturned crook. What? That's time right there. Oh my! If you almost get impaled or get impaled, we let you start over. Wow, you really like tractor. All the overfronts I've been doing, that was sick. Board slide. And that's time right there. Louise's gymnastic skateboarding.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were a little kid.
The latest to enter. Ben! Where's Ben? Late entry. Nice job, Ben.
What size shirt do you wear?
That's a challenge. You have to walk up the slippery ramp. That's third place in beginner. Nice job, Ben. Showed up late in the contest. Did well. Second place in beginner. The littlest man I've ever seen. Steven. Yeah, Steven. Good job, Steven. Nice little front three in there. Nice work, sir.
Thanks.
All right, and in first place in the beginner contest, Declan. Yeah, Declan.
I wear a white shirt.
What size? Medium? Large?
Large.
What size board do you wear?
8.
8.
I wear an 8 board.
I wear an 8 board. Large, medium.
Good job.
Good job. Good job for all the beginners. Congratulations, beginners. All right. Third place in intermediate is Liam.
Yeah, Liam?
Yeah, Liam.
You got large?
What? Nice job, Liam. Second place in the intermediate contest, our friend Nolan. Where's Nolan? Good job, Nolan. Nice job, sir. Yeah, your wheels are probably wrecked from the power slide contest earlier.
What place again?
Second.
Oh, second. Where am I? What's that your wheel?
Good job, Nolan.
And you won wheels. Good job.
All right. In first place with some couple of really solid lines, Bradley Ross.
Yeah!
Good job, Bradley. Bradley stayed on his board for a long time. Did a lot of tricks in the middle of it.
Good job, man. Thanks.
This is very quiet in here. Good job, good job, Bradley. Sorry. Good job, everybody in the beginner and intermediate. Come to Street League at 6 and watch and cheer on all the really